Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to get rid of the orange light on your sound bar. If you play videos like streaming services like Netflix and the light turns green and you notice the sound is much better, but when you watch regular TV it's orange, I'm going to show you how to fix that. It's really because your TV, your cable provider setting is not set to Dolby. So what do? I got DirecTV. Go into your menu. You switch over. Go down to settings. And from there, toggle over to audio. Click on audio. Your language is English. You toggle down sound effects. It's on medium. You might as well put that on high. You want to hear everything in there while you're at it. Toggle back over and go down to Dolby. This is what's making it orange instead of green. You see it's still orange. You want it to be green. You toggle down to on and bam. Now you get the full sound. And you can exit out of there and have your full sound going and enjoy your service. Thank you guys.